Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss about Pythagoras theorem. First of all, why it is named as Pythagoras theorem? Because it was given by famous mathematician, famous Indian mathematician Pythagoras. That's why it is named as Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras developed a relationship between three sides of right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? In which one angle is right angle and other two angles are acute angles is called right angle triangle. Now about sides, side opposite to right angle is the largest side and is called hypotenuse. Side opposite to right angle is the largest side and is called hypotenuse. And the remaining two sides, one is perpendicular, other one is base. Side opposite to 90 degree, that is AB. Here AB is hypotenuse, BC is the base and AC is a perpendicular. Now, in another triangle, in triangle ABC, in which right angle at A, side opposite to this right angle, that is BC. BC is the hypotenuse and remaining two sides, one is perpendicular, other one is base. Either AB can be a perpendicular or AC can be a base, or AC can be a perpendicular, AB can be a base. So, what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras developed a relationship between three sides of right angle triangle. That square of largest side, square of hypotenuse is equals to square of its base plus square of its perpendicular. Square of its hypotenuse is equals to square of its base plus square of its perpendicular. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle ABC, ABC is a right angle triangle in which a right angle at B, then side opposite to angle B is AC, that is hypotenuse of a triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC is a hypotenuse, square of largest side is equals to square of its base plus square of its perpendicular. The important thing that we need to be careful while using Pythagoras theorem is, first of all, triangle should be right angle triangle in which one angle is right angle and the side opposite to right angle is always hypotenuse. So, let us take one example of Pythagoras theorem in which length of two sides are given. We have to find the length of unknown side by using Pythagoras theorem. Here angle Q is a right angle. So side opposite to right angle is a hypotenuse. So now by using Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? That the square of hypotenuse. PR square is equals to PQ square plus RQ square. Square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of squares of remaining two sides of right angle triangle. So what is PR square? We have to find PQ square, square of 4, RQ square, square of 3. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 3 is 9. Now we know that the 16 plus 9 is 25. To find the length of PR, what we have to do? We have to take square root on both sides. PR is equals to square root of 25. As we know that the 25 is the square of 5. So square root of 25 will be a 5. PR is equals to 5 centimeter. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we have find the length of this unknown side. The length of this unknown side is 5 centimeter. Now we will take another example. Triangle XYZ is right angle triangle in which angle X is right angle. XY is given 5 centimeter. YZ is also given 13 centimeter. We have to find the length of this unknown side. Here the side opposite to right angle is always a hypotenuse. So YZ is a hypotenuse. We have to find the length of this XZ. By using Pythagoras theorem, YZ is square of YZ is equals to XY square plus XZ square. So YZ is 13. 13 square is equals to xy is 5 square plus xz square. Now we know that the square of 13 is 169. Square of 5 is 25 plus xz square. Now 169, here 25 is a plus sign. When we will shift this 25 to the left hand side, it will get a subtract. 169 minus 25 is equals to xz square. So 169 minus 25 is 144 equals to xz square. Now we can write this 144 is equals to xz square as a xz square is equals to 144. To find the value of this unknown side xz, we will take square root on both sides. After taking square root, what we will get? Xz is equals to square root of 144. We know that 144 is the square of 12. So xz square root of 144 will be a 12 centimeter. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we have find the length of this unknown side, that is 12 centimeter. Now what we can do by using Pythagoras theorem, that if the length of any two sides are given, then we can find the length of any unknown side, length of third unknown side, by applying Pythagoras theorem. The important thing that we have to learn in Pythagoras theorem is that the side opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse, and we can apply Pythagoras theorem for right angle triangle only, not for any other triangle. And the side opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse, that is the largest side of a triangle. Pythagoras theorem is square of largest side is equals to sum of squares of remaining two sides. So this is all about Pythagoras theorem.